Hello and welcome to this next lesson of the through crash course. So in the previous lesson we ran our first SERP analysis, and now we will have a look at the result. So what you can see here is called the Serp Insights. So through is telling you some great statistics and information about this SERP, so in our case SEO copywriting. So you can see that 8 pages has been analyzed. And so let's have a look here. So first you can see the number of results in total on Google. Also it tells you if this SERP has some specific features, like so here there is no knowledge graph, no answer box, no feature snippet, there is no FAQ, and as well no page, there is no page with on-page FAQ. So interesting information to leverage. Maybe you should include a FAQ if you want to target this keyword. And well, you can see here's the number of words on average, similar for the image, and also the longest and the shortest. Also some metrics about the page rank. So here it can tell you how the authority basically of the website on this SERP, and also here some information about the update. So you can see that this SERP has been updated recently. 20 hours ago a page did an update. So here, Serp Insights, you have overview about the SERP. If you scroll down, you will see different tabs: result, topic, title, heading, hotline, etc., etc. We'll have a look at all of them in the next lessons, but today on this lesson we focus on the result tab. So in the result tab there is two views: the card view and the table view. So first let's check the card view. So the card view basically shows you all the results here. You can see this is the first result, SEO copywriting, the ultimate guide from Yoast. And if you click here, you can see on-page information. So you can see the title, the meta description. You can have some information about the page, the type, if there is any schema, the word count, number of image found, etc. Also the top topics used by this page. Here on the right hand side you can see the table of contents or the structure of headlines. So it's really interesting to understand the structure of the top ranking pages. And if you scroll down, you can see as well all the sources and outbound links used by this page. And finally, if there is any question from the comment section, well, here there is only there is no question. In fact, there is just a question mark, so this is not really relevant here. At the second position, we can find the people also ask box, and then you have more organic result. All the time, you can see as well the position, if it's a page, the page rank as well, and some tags, so indicating that, for instance, this one contains the most image. Then you can see that this one is the top ranking one, this is the lowest ranking one, and here you have the shortest one with the least image, and here you have the last updated. So it's a quite useful view to analyze quickly all the pages on the SERP, and if you have more than 10 as well, here you can display all, but in our case we only analyze 10 pages. If you go up, let's move to the table view. So the table view is quite useful as well, because it gives you really an overview of all the pages and a focus on the key metrics. So you cannot open each single page, but you can directly see some metrics like words, images, number of headings, publication date, the number of language used on the page. I mean on the page, not the number of different variation of language, the links they have, outbound links of course. So this is all the links on the page, so the number of anchors basically on the page, and this is the number of anchors that are outbound links, and as well you can see here if there is any schema. So this is quite useful if you want to quickly sort. For instance, if I want to sort by the longest page, you can see here the page number 1 is the longest one, then the number 3 is the second longest one, etc. So it's really interesting to see the structure of the SERP, and as well it can give you an indication of, as you can see, as the top 3 pages or the top 4 pages are the longest ones. So if you want to be competitive on this SERP, maybe you have to write a lot, or at least 3,000 words. Alright, so that's it for the result tab. Let's move to the next lesson and we will have a look at the topics tab.